Welcome to Brain Vision.
So this is a three-step process where the initial temperature is 175 degrees centigrade, which will come out to be 448 Kelvin. The final temperature outside the oven comes out to be 35 degrees centigrade, which is 308 Kelvin. And the surrounding temperature is 22 degrees centigrade, which is 295 Kelvin. Now it is given that for this process, it happens with power of cooling to be 12 watt, and we are trying to find what is the power of cooling in that state. So power of cooling is given by E sigma A as it cools down. Let's call it T warm minus T cold, and to the fourth power of them. So using this formula, if we find Pc prime over Pc, that will come out to be the E sigma A stays unchanged. It is the for the initial phase, it is the warm minus cold raised to the fourth power, so that will be 448 to the fourth minus 308 to the fourth, and in the while it is cooling down to room temperature, that will be 308 to the fourth minus 295 raised to the fourth. Now in this particular case, we can also write that Pc was 12 watt. So putting all those numbers in together, we can solve for Pc prime, and that will come out to be 275 watt.